Welcome to Viettalki YouTube channel, and today in this video we're gonna learn how to count from 1 to 10 in Vietnamese. Let's get started! Okay, we start with number 1. Một. Repeat after me. Một. Number 2. Hai. Hai. Number 3. Ba. Ba. Number 4. Bốn. Bốn. Number 5. Năm. Năm. Number 6. Sáu. Sáu. Number 7. Bảy. Bảy. Number 8. Tám. Tám. Number 9. Chín. Chín. Number 10. Mười. Mười. Alright, can you do it? Congratulations! So right now we're gonna count from 1 to 10 again, but faster, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so right now you already know how to count from 1 to 10 in Vietnamese. So, if you like the videos, please give me a thumbs up and see you in the next video.